Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today and tomorrow, Amazon is having their pre-Black Friday sale. Can you tell I've been up since 5 a.m. doing content over on Instagram? Anyway, I am here to share all the best deals, things I think are actually worth the money, things that you could maybe skip if you don't need them right now, and all the good things. So everything will be linked down below. I've been updating my Instagram hourly, sharing all the best deals over there. I also have a giveaway in today's video, which I'm really excited about. It's 2 winners, 1 Amazon $500 gift card each, so definitely enter. The rules will be in the description box below. And yeah, that's everything I have to say. Let's get into it. I did a video yesterday, go watch that if you haven't already. That includes my master list of products that I own that are currently on sale. These are either products that I want, that I purchase, or deals that are just like way too good to pass up that I had to share with y'all. But I will also share some things that I think are meh and kind of not worth it. Starting off super strong, I feel like the best gadgets are on sale right now, which I'm so happy about. My automatic soap dispenser, it's hands-free and it's incredible. It's on sale finally. It hasn't been on sale for the past 3 sales, okay, including last Black Friday and this Prime Day. It wasn't on sale. It's finally on sale. It's super discounted. Mentioned this in yesterday's video, but the entire Amazon Blink products are on sale, like the whole line. So security cameras, Ring doorbells, things like that. If you've been wanting to invest in like a security system for your house, now is really the time to do it. This was not necessarily planned, but I'm wearing the scuba dupe. It's 26% off. Originally it's $42.99. It's on sale right now for $31. I think it's true to size and it fits great, so I highly recommend if you've been wanting that, especially for the fall and winter. They're so cozy. I have the hood version with a quarter zip. You know, so many good clothing options. I mean, some of my favorite dresses are super discounted. I'm talking like 20, 30, 50% off. It's crazy. The Drop is one of my favorite Amazon brands. Super discounted. Workout clothes, postpartum clothes, sets, so many things. Even like wedding guest dresses. Check out my Amazon shop for all the details, all the tabs, all the things. Some of my all-time favorite hair tools or heated hair tools are from this brand Tymo. I've made a ton of videos recommending them. The hair dryer, that it's a great alternative for the Dyson hair dryer. It's 15% off. It went from $200 to $169. And my favorite hair straightener, like that I could have really used today, but I'm too lazy because I'm too pregnant. Down from $55 to $39.99. So many beauty items, hair care items, skincare, makeup, all that you can think of, self-tanning, lash serums from really expensive brands like Sephora type brands are 30 to 40% off. The Sephora sale, you have to spend $1,000 to get a 20% off coupon like twice a year. So better than a lot of the sales and the discounts that Sephora has. I already purchased this indoor garden. It's called a hydroponic garden. I don't know, that's the longest name ever. The point is, I do a ton of gift guides on my channel, so that's one of the reasons why I want this. Number 2, it's so hot in Houston during the summer that my herbs always die outside. But most importantly, number 4, this is originally $164 and it's 70% off. You can get it for $49.99 and all 4 colors are on sale, so definitely snagging it up. I already did actually this morning. I'm also heavily debating trying out a new Dyson. I've said this before, I like the suction power of the Dyson, but yo, the way the battery dies immediately. Like, I could barely get through doing half of my downstairs area before I have to recharge it, which is so inconvenient. So Shark vacuums are also on sale. The sales aren't like incredible by any means, but I have a theory that this is probably as low as they're gonna go. There's also robot vacuums. Those are always on sale, so unless like you're really wanting one right now, you could probably hold off until Black Friday. I posted this already on my Instagram story, but this parka coat winter jacket situation is only on sale like about twice a year, and then winter rolls around and everyone's just like, why didn't I buy it? It's worth getting it now, trust me. It's discounted from $151 to only $89. It's the only coat I use during the winter in Houston. Amazing, it has so many pockets, it's so soft, it's waterproof on the outside. I just highly recommend it. I bought it for Olivia in the smallest size that they had. I think it's like a 3 or 4T, but I also bought it for my mom, and my mom only wears that, and my mom is like, she's always cold. Like, she's cold when it's 100 degrees outside. So I highly recommend if you're looking for a coat to get that one. Let me tell you something. If you're pregnant, if you have a newborn, a baby, you didn't have a baby shower, or if you're a friend that has like 6 baby showers from now until the end of the year like me, then you should definitely get the Registry Gifts today, because oh my god, the deals are so good. I already did it. Okay, so this is all I bought for my friends. I got the baby car seat camera, 10 out of 10 would recommend. We use it for Olivia. Monitor that we use for Olivia is super discounted. That's like really the lowest it ever goes. I am repurchasing it for our baby boy since we want to have both in the same app. Olivia's car seat, definitely do your own research. My brother gifted this to us. We ended up buying a second one for my husband's car, and I'm sure we will buy it again for this baby. If you're pumping or planning on breastfeeding, the Mom Cozy hands-free breast pumps are 20% off, originally $120, but these are $95 right now, and you get both. A lot of travel systems, play pens, so many baby items, double strollers, they have baby wagons. They also have this Frida baby basics kit that comes with this nut sucker, the nail trimmer, this cradle cap little brush. 4 of those things for 35% off. Great registry gift, easy and so useful. The best thing though is the outlet. The outlet is $100 off. I swear by the outlet. I swear by the outlet. I recommend it to every single parent. This is something that I'm currently considering buying, especially for later on postpartum. It's this under the desk walking pad treadmill situation. I honestly wouldn't put it under my desk. My desk is not really built for that, but these just seem really nice to have. I feel like I could put it like once I have my baby, just watch him, or even like wear him and watch my toddler. I don't know, it just seems like really convenient. So the one that I'm looking at is originally $500. It's 58% off, and it's on sale for only $200. So I know this will go on sale again on Black Friday, so I might even get it then, but it's a pretty good deal for all the ones that I've looked at. Every single massager body thing that you can think of is on sale. The massage guns that are great for if you work out, if you have tense muscles because of work or whatever. Shoulder massager is on sale from $60 to $39. This one that's just like a back and neck massager that you can move around is originally $55, but it's on sale for $29.99. And the foot massagers are on sale as well. The eye massager is also 54% off. So you can really get something if you have any body ache. Not if you're pregnant like me, because nothing helps. Some random decor items are on sale that I really like. These faux books. They are hollow on the inside, and you can store pictures, letters, keepsakes in there, and they look like the very expensive anthropology books, but they're currently on sale for $27.99, and they used to be $34.99. So you get 3 books for $27. Here's something I would skip unless you absolutely want it or absolutely need it. Ruggable is always on sale when these sales come around. There's always a 20% off. It doesn't go higher than that. Usually when they work with influencers or like have random codes, they are for 20% off, so probably year-round you can get this deal. So don't feel pressure and don't think it's like a once-in-a-lifetime deal. It literally happens every single time. Also, a ton of bedding that is so good and such good quality is really discounted, like up to 50% off. Mattress toppers, crib mattress toppers, waterproof mattress toppers, things like that if you have kids. Hotel quality pillow set, pillow covers, sheets, bamboo sheets, comforters, duvets. I said this yesterday. I already purchased some myself, but I highly recommend if you've been on the hunt, if you're moving soon, things like that. I thought this was a really good deal. Liquid IVs are extremely discounted, like 30% off. I think the bag comes out to be less than $17, so great time to buy if you've been wanting to try it, or if you drink liquid IVs on like a regular basis. This multivitamin that it's like in a liquid form has gone viral all over TikTok. My daughter actually takes that brand, but for toddlers obviously. It's crazy. It's a 30-day supply for $51, but it's discounted to $31. So if you've been wanting to try that brand, it's called Mary Ruth Liquid Multivitamin. Definitely get it discounted because that's really pricey. So So guys, that's everything for today's video. Happy shopping. I really hope you guys find everything that you wanted to buy discounted, and I hope the discount was good enough for you. But now onto the giveaway. It's really easy to enter. Basically, I'm partnering up with Amazon to give away 2 Amazon gift cards to 2 of you guys. So one winner gets 1 gift card. They're $500 each. All you have to do is follow the rules below. You have to be following me, following Amazon. You have to be subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and comment down below what you bought today or what you will buy during the sale. And I'll have like the rules when it ends, all that good stuff. Amazon will contact the winners. Definitely enter if you haven't already so you can spend even more money on Amazon for free. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and for all your support throughout these sales. I really appreciate it, and I really hope you guys like and enjoy this content. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.